1 kilowatt, 24 volts, pre-assembled, pre-installed, ordered from our Shopee store.
Kilowatt, pre-assembled, sheet up. Testing with 2 pieces battery and 550 watts solar panel. Una-una, i-connect mo yung battery in series and observe the polarity. First on is the battery breaker, MPPT, para ma-detect niya yung battery. Nakaset siya sa SLD 24 volts. Pagkatapos i-on natin yung inverter. Yan. Try natin i-on yung PV array. Yan, charging. Tapos i-on natin yung output. Yan, umilaw. Saka ito, naka-solar siya. Next, AC input. Yan, detect niya yung yan. Running normal. Ito nga pala yung load. Dito nakalagay yung AC input. Saka ito yung solar panel. Naka MC4 na.
Supply and assembled by Hanem Solar Products, shop and warehouse location, Tisa Rojas City, Capiz. Your one-stop shop of solar products and accessories.